Welcome, creators and innovators, to our course summary video, Cracking the Code, Finding Your Niche on YouTube. This condensed version of our comprehensive course is your fast-track guide to understanding the ins and outs of niche selection and audience targeting on YouTube. It's like a beautifully detailed map giving you the lay of the land, but with a twist. This map doesn't lead you to buried treasure or a secret city. Instead, it guides you to something far more valuable and elusive, a successful YouTube channel that resonates with an engaged audience. We'll journey through the importance of selecting a niche, the power it holds in setting the tone for your success, and how to understand your target audience deeply. We'll also navigate the terrain of content themes and strategies, and how to align them with your chosen niche and audience. Along the way, we'll draw inspiration from real-world examples of successful YouTubers who have mastered the art and science of niche selection and audience engagement. We'll dissect their strategies and uncover the secrets of their success. And what's a journey without a final destination? Ours is about building your brand around your niche, enhancing your channel's identity and recognition, and ultimately creating a space where your content doesn't just survive, it thrives. Whether you're just starting your YouTube journey or you're a seasoned creator seeking to refine your approach, this summary is your compass, your guide, your mentor. It's a distillation of our full course, packing a punch with key insights, tips, and strategies. But remember, this is just the summary. The full course offers a deep dive into each module, providing an even more comprehensive understanding of niche selection and audience engagement on YouTube. So, buckle up. Get ready to embark on a journey of discovery and learning as we peel back the layers of YouTube's vast landscape. And who knows? By the end of this journey, you may just find your place in that landscape. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of niche selection. Scene script. Unveiling the first module, we explore the critical importance of niche selection. Imagine walking into an enormous supermarket. There are aisles upon aisles of products, but what you're really craving is a specific brand of chocolate. Now, wouldn't it be a lot easier to find what you're looking for if there was a separate aisle dedicated to just chocolates? That's the power of niche selection. It's about creating that unique aisle, your own little corner on YouTube, where viewers can find exactly what they're looking for. Niche selection is like setting up the GPS for your YouTube journey. It's the compass that guides your content creation, helps you stand out in the crowded YouTube marketplace, and connects you with your ideal audience. It's not just about what you want to create, but also about what your potential viewers want to watch. So how do you find your niche? It's a blend of your passion, skills, and market demand. Start by asking yourself, what are you passionate about? What are you exceptionally good at? Is there a demand for it? Remember, your niche should be something you love and are knowledgeable about. It's going to be the theme of your YouTube channel, the common thread that weaves through your videos. Your passion for your niche will fuel your creativity and keep you motivated even when the going gets tough. Next, consider your skills. Maybe you're a whiz at DIY projects, or you can play the guitar like a rock star. These skills can become your unique selling proposition, setting you apart from the crowd. Finally, assess the market demand. You might be passionate about underwater basket weaving, but is there a significant audience for it? Understanding what viewers are interested in and tailoring your content to meet those interests is crucial. But beware, choosing a niche doesn't mean boxing yourself into a corner. It's not about limiting your creativity, but rather focusing it. It's about being a big fish in a small pond, rather than being a small fish lost in the ocean. And remember, your chosen niche is not set in stone. As you grow and evolve, so can your niche. It's about finding a balance between what you love to create and what your audience loves to watch. Choosing the right niche can set you up for success on YouTube. It can help you build a loyal and engaged audience, enhance your channel's visibility, and increase your chances of being discovered. It's a crucial step that should not be ignored, so don't rush this process. Take your time. Do your research. Understand your passions, identify your skills, and gauge the market demand. The right niche is out there, waiting for you to discover it. Your chosen niche paves the way for your content strategy. Let's explore that next. In Module 2, we delve into the heart of your channel, your target audience. Imagine you're an architect You wouldn't just start building a house without knowing who's going to live in it, would you? Similarly, as a content creator, you need to understand who your audience is, their interests, their needs, their challenges. This is where Module 2 comes into play, helping you to deeply understand your target audience. So why is this understanding so crucial? Well, think of it this way. You could have the most excellent content, but if it doesn't resonate with your audience, it's like pouring water into a sieve. It simply won't hold. Understanding your audience allows you to create content that is impactful, relevant, and engaging. It's the secret sauce that can turn a casual viewer into a loyal fan. Now, how do you get to know your audience? The answer is audience research. It might sound a bit daunting, but it's actually quite straightforward. Think of it as a treasure hunt, where the treasure is insights about your viewers. You can start by looking at the demographics of your existing viewers, their age, location, and gender. But don't stop there. Dive deeper. What are their hobbies? What problems are they trying to solve? What kind of content do they engage with the most? Social media platforms and online forums can be goldmines of information. Look for trends, common questions, or recurring themes. You can also directly ask your audience through surveys or polls. Remember, the more you know about your audience, the better you can tailor your content to their tastes. Now, armed with all this information, it's time to create viewer personas. A persona is a fictional character that represents a segment of your audience. It's like a sketch, filled in with the details you've gathered from your research. For example, you could have tech-savvy Tim, a 20-something-year-old who loves gadgets and is always looking for the latest tech reviews. Or Fitness Fiona, a middle-aged woman who's just started her fitness journey and is looking for beginner-friendly workout routines. Creating these personas allows you to visualize your audience, making it easier to create content that resonates with them. It's like having a compass that points you in the right direction. So that's a quick overview of Module 2. We've covered the importance of understanding your audience, conducting effective audience research, and creating viewer personas. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The full course dives much deeper, offering detailed strategies and practical tips to truly get to know your audience. Remember, knowing your audience is knowing your channel's future. Moving on, let's discuss content strategy. Scene script. Module 3 is all about aligning your content with your chosen niche and target audience. Delving deeper into the world of content creation, we explore the integral aspects of content theme and strategy. This module focuses on the importance of a consistent content theme and a well-planned content strategy. These elements are not just about what you create, but how and why you create it. Imagine your content as a story. Your chosen niche and target audience are the main characters. Now, what kind of stories will these characters enjoy? What will resonate with them? That's where your content theme comes into play. It's about maintaining a consistent narrative that appeals to your niche and target audience, making your channel a go-to source for specific content. Whether it's travel vlogs, tech reviews, or cooking tutorials, your content theme should reflect your niche's interests and needs. But a great theme is nothing without a solid strategy. Your content strategy is your game plan. It's about understanding the best ways to deliver your content to your target audience. This involves considering the frequency of your posts, the optimal time to upload, the types of content to produce, and the tone of voice to use. It's about being intentional and strategic in your content creation process. Remember, YouTube is a platform where millions of videos are uploaded every day. To stand out, you need to offer something unique and valuable. Your content strategy should not only aim to attract viewers, but also to keep them coming back for more. This means creating engaging, high-quality content that adds value to your audience's lives. Moreover, it's essential to keep in mind that your strategy should evolve as your channel grows. Be flexible and ready to adapt to changes in your audience's preferences, market trends, and the ever-evolving YouTube algorithm. In conclusion, finding a balance between a compelling content theme and a robust content strategy is key to connecting with your audience and growing your channel. It requires creativity, planning, and a deep understanding of your niche and target audience. Content is king and strategy is queen. Now, let's look at how these concepts play out in the real world. We've covered a lot of ground, from niche selection to content strategy. The key to success on YouTube lies in these three pillars: pinpointing your niche, understanding your audience, and crafting a content strategy that resonates. Remember, it's about creating a unique space where your voice can thrive and where your audience feels seen. It's about building a community around shared interests and passions. To delve deeper into each module, consider enrolling in our full course. Thank you for joining us on this journey through our course summary. We trust it's been insightful and illuminating, sparking ideas and strategies you can implement on your own YouTube journey. If you found value in this summary, we would appreciate your support. Give us a like, share this video with those who might benefit, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Remember, your YouTube success starts with finding your niche. Thank you and happy creating.